Okay, let's continue to take a look on this project. So this gap is pretty big, more than 1/4, and there's no screws on this joint. So the drywall sheets is moving. So we got to do something special, so I'll show you later. And there's another big gap, and this corner, the edge is very rough, so it got to be cut off. So the corner of the drywall is crooked, so it got to be cut off. So this corner is damaged, so it got to be fixed. And it's good. There's no joints right above the windows, but those two joints are too close to the corner, so we got to do something special to make it stronger. And this joint, the same thing. It's pretty close to the corner. Now let's take a look on the ceiling. You see there's no screw on the joint, on this tapeless joint. So I don't know why. There's no screw on the edge of the board. So we have to do something special to make it stronger. There's another joint, same thing, no screws along the joint. So I got to either put some more screws or use some stronger mud. I always pay extra attention to the joints because I really cannot afford the joints to crack. The matter of fact is that if I use paper tape, it cracks. People think that's normal. You know, I'm doing tapeless drywall finishing. If it cracks, people would consider the reason to cause the crack was I didn't use tape, so I don't want that to happen. So you see this gap is pretty big, like 1/2 inch, and those damaged areas got to be fixed. So this is how I check the drywall joints, and every joints I give them special treatment, like cut off the edges, fix the damaged corners. And you see that butt joint, the edge is rough and some area is damaged. So we got to V-cut this butt joint. Here is a big gap, more than 1/2 inch, right above the windows. So it needs some special care for this kind of joint. For this butt joint, the edge got to be cut off. So take a look on this nice and big and deep gap. It's more than 1 inch wide and more than 1/2 inch deep. So it's a really nice gap. So I'm going to fill it with tapeless mud, pre-mixed. As you can see, there are so many big gaps. You know, I gave the homeowner a big discount to take this project to do tapeless finishing, because this project is just perfect for tapeless drywall finishing. So you see those damaged areas, so many big gaps. It is just perfect for me to make a video like this. So you see the gap. This one is more than ½ inch, close to 3/4. Big gaps. I'm going to use pre-mixed tapeless mat to do this job. You see, they're just problems. And this screw, we hate this kind of screws, so got to make them disappear. You see, it's pretty hard to make the screw go deeper, especially at the corners. That's why I use this special screwdriver. Okay, so this is the project I'm working on. So next time I'm going to show you how I prepare the drawings for tapeless matting. So just take a look around. I'm going to take videos and post them to show you every step how I finish a project like this with tapeless mat. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you.